Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add pictures to Google Maps. This is a great way to share your experiences at different locations, help other users discover places, and contribute to making maps more useful for everyone. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will take you to the main Google Maps interface where you can start the process of uploading your photos. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find a search bar. Here, you can type in the specific location where you want to add pictures. Alternatively, you can simply click directly on the map to select a place. Either method works perfectly fine, so choose whichever feels more convenient for you. After selecting your location, the details for that place will appear on the left side of your screen. This panel contains all the essential information about the location, including its name, address, reviews, and photos that other users have already uploaded. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this section as it shows you the full profile of the place you're about to contribute to. Now scroll down through this details panel until you find the option that says Add Photos and Videos. This is the gateway to uploading your content. Click on it to proceed to the Upload section. You'll notice that Google makes this feature pretty accessible, encouraging users to share their visual experiences. Once you've clicked on Add Photos and Videos, a new window will pop up. Here you'll see an Upload button. Go ahead and click on Upload, which will then prompt another option to appear. Click on Browse to open your File Explorer or Photo Library. This lets you navigate through your device to find the exact picture you want to share. Browse through your folders and click on the picture you want to upload. Make sure it's a clear, relevant image that accurately represents the location. After selecting your photo, the upload process will begin. You'll need to wait until the upload is completely done. Depending on your internet connection and the size of the image, this might take a few moments, so be patient while it processes. Once the upload finishes, the tab will automatically close, bringing you back to the main Maps interface. Now, to verify that your photo was successfully uploaded, click on the menu icon located on the left side of the screen. It typically looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, click on your contributions. This section tracks all the edits, reviews, and photos you've added to Google Maps. Inside your contributions, click on Photos. Here you'll see all the uploaded photos that you've sent to Google, including the one you just added. Keep in mind that Google needs to approve the photo before it appears publicly on the locations page. This approval process ensures that all content meets community guidelines and maintains quality standards across the platform. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a picture to Google Maps, and it's now awaiting approval. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.